What I have here is a small little key box. This is a magnetic hideaway key box that I have on my van here. Let me show you how this thing works. I just pulled it out. That's why it's a little dirty. And I've already traveled like, I don't know, 6,000 miles with this thing under there. Let me show you what all is in here. What I have here is a tracker, a key tracker device, and a spare key. So there's a tracker and a key all down inside of here. This is awesome. And it's waterproof. It's cushioned in there, so it's pretty much indestructible. Let me show you how powerful these magnets are. There are 3 magnets. Look at that. That ain't coming off. Look how it kind of pulls my frame. Let me show you where I hide mine at. So let's go up under the vehicle. So this whole area right up under here is where I put it. So I slide it up under that, behind that bracket, and this hose helps hold it in place too. Check that out. So right up in here is where I keep that hidden. There it is right here. It's not going anywhere. It's got a spare key in it, and it also has a GPS tracker in it, all set down to one. This is something I highly recommend for anyone that wants to have a spare key on their vehicle. It can hold key fobs, it can hold keys, and it hides away nicely. You'd almost have to crawl up under here and look for it to know where it is. But if I lost my key, I know exactly where it is. Right in the center of the vehicle, just go up under it and grab it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the spare key, the hideaway key, magnetic, indestructible. See you on the next video.